In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted pages in Microsoft OneNote. If you've accidentally deleted a page, don't panic. OneNote usually keeps deleted content for a limited time, typically up to around 60 days, giving you a chance to bring it back. The exact steps depend on whether you're using OneNote on your computer or in a browser, and how recently the deletion happened. Let's start with the most common method: restoring from the notebook recycle bin, sometimes labeled deleted notes. On OneNote for Windows or Mac, open the notebook where the page was deleted. Go to the History tab in the ribbon and choose Notebook Recycle Bin. This opens a special view that shows pages and sections that were removed from this notebook. Scroll through the list to find the page you want. When you see it, right-click the page and select Move or Copy. In the dialog that appears, choose the notebook and section where you want it restored, then click Move. The page will reappear in that destination just like a normal page. Remember, content stays in the recycle bin only for a limited time, after which OneNote permanently removes it. A few tips while you're in the recycle bin. Check the section names and timestamps to make sure you're picking the right page, especially if you have similar titles. If you don't immediately see what you need, expand collapsed sections and scroll carefully. The recycle bin groups items by the sections they came from. If you're using OneNote on the web, go to onenote.com and sign in. Open the notebook you were working in. At the top, select View, then choose Deleted Notes or Notebook Recycle Bin, depending on what your version shows. Browse the deleted pages, right-click the one you want, and pick Restore to or Move, Copy. Choose the notebook and section where you want it to go, and confirm. This will restore the page back into your notebook, and it will sync to your other devices. If you just deleted the page and realized immediately, there's an even faster option. Press Ctrl+Z on Windows or Command+Z on Mac to undo. OneNote will usually restore the deleted page right away. This works best if you haven't done many actions since the deletion. If you can't find the page, double-check that you're in the correct notebook and signed into the right account, and give OneNote a moment to sync. To recap, recover from the notebook. Recycle bin on desktop or web, or use undo if you caught it right away. With these steps, you'll get your notes back in no time.